Hello students, let us see the one more problem based on the mole fraction and the molality. So that is given, that is what is given, mole fraction of I2 is given 0.2 and here is molar mass of solvent. You can calculate molar mass of solvent. So molar mass of solvent, if you want to know, student, solvent, okay, in bracket you can write that is Ma. How much is there, student? C6H6 is there, so 6 into 6 solvent is what, benzene is there in C6H6, so 6 into 12 plus 6 into hydrogen 1. So how much coming, student? That is 72 plus 6, it is coming 78. So that is molar mass of solvent you got. Now what is calculate the molality of solution? So there is direct relation is there, student, for molality. So you can write that is molality is equal to what is coming, student? Molality direct relation is there, student, that is what, xb, okay, upon 1 minus xb multiply by 1000 upon Ma. So this is the direct molality calculation, student. With this formula, if the relation is there in the form of molality and mole fraction, you can calculate with this formula. So here we can put the value in the molality xb. If you talking about the xb, so xb is what in this formula, if you define here, student, we can define the terms also. What are the there? Xb, so this is mole fraction of solute, mole fraction of solute, mole fraction of solute. Solute means the substance which is going to dissolve. So xb and ma, so a for solvent, so molar that is molar mass of solvent, molar mass of solvent. These two terms are being used, student, in this definition. So here in the half side of the board, here we are going to solve this problem. So molality M is equal to, we can write what, xb, they have given 0.2 divided by 1 minus xb there, so 1 minus 0.2 multiply by, in the formula itself 1000 is there, and then divided by ma. How much is they are given? That is student 78 is given. Okay, if you calculate this, student, so how much will come? This will come 500. Okay, small m molarity, that is it will come 500. If 1000 into 0.2, it is coming how much, student? It will come, that is, okay, little more simplified, 0.2 upon 0.8 multiply by 1000 upon 78. If you simplify this, so how much is coming? Here is, this is cancel out, point same position is there, so the 2 4 ja 8, here 4 and 220, it will come how much, 250 times, 250 times. So 4 2 ja 10, 2 5 ja 2 5 ja 20 and 0. So here is coming 250 upon 78, and if you simplify this, if you divide this, it is coming 3.20, 3.20 small m. So therefore you can write molality is equal to how much is coming, student? 3.20 molal. This is our answer. So I hope this will be helpful to answer this problem. Thank you so much for watching, friends. This is the 3, student, 3.20 molal. Hello friends, now let us see the question number 2 of the based on the most mole fraction. Here is their question. The mole fraction of water is 20% in 20% aqueous solution, aqueous hydrogen peroxide solution. Okay, so that is mole fraction of water they are asking. That is, we can write that is mole fraction of water. How to calculate, student? Mole fraction of water equal to how much we can write? That is moles of water divided by what, student? Moles of water. Okay, sorry, wait. Moles of water and divided by what, student? That is total moles. Now total moles means what? What are there, student? That is water and hydrogen peroxide is there, hydrogen peroxide. Now you see mole fraction of, how can we simplify this more little? That is moles of water, so that is we can write NH2O. Okay, n for number of mole divided by NH2O plus what we can write, student? N hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, right? Now student, how to calculate number of mole, that you should know. Number of mole equal to, here I am writing, So number of mole of water. So 20% aqueous solution of hydrogen peroxide is there, 20%. So if we talk about that is 100% is there, 100% is equal to how much? 100 gram. 100% is equal to 100 gram. Now 20% out of this, what is there? Hydrogen peroxide. So H2O2, how much percent is there, student? That is 20%. 20% is equal to how much? 20 gram. And remaining water is how much there, student? H2O if you talk about. So H2O is equal to what? 100 minus 20. So how much is coming? That is 80 gram will come water. Okay, that you have to keep in mind, 80 gram water. Now student, given mass, this we got, these are the given mass. Okay, this is the given mass. Okay, this is given mass. Now we need the molar mass. Okay, if you got to know, if you understood that is given mass, then we second place will be molar mass. So if you talk about these value equal to WH2O, no, WH2O2. Okay, WH2O2 we got, and W it is H2O. Now molar mass, if you talk about molar H2O2, and here is what? MH2O. So MH2O you know very well, this is the 18 gram, and MH2O2 student. So H2 is same, you add this 16 more in this one because 2 oxygen are there. So how much will come, student? 34 gram per mole, and this is also gram per mole. Now if you want to calculate number of mole, student, so NH2O2, how much it comes, student? NH2O2 given mass upon molar mass. Okay, NH number of mole, given mass upon molar mass. So given mass 20, molar mass 34, and here is NH2O, that is given number of mole of water, that is given mass 80, and molar mass how much, student? That is 18. So number of mole we got, student. Now you put the water here in the formula. So XH2O, how much will come, student? If you are putting that is XH2O, so here is coming NH2O means 80 by 18 divided by what will come, student? That is NH2O, again NH2O, so that is 80 by 18 plus what is NH2O2. So 20 by how much, student? 34. If you simplify this, student, how much is coming? If you simplify, it is coming 4.44 upon, it is coming 4.44 plus it is coming 0.588. Now you simplify again, you add it out, student. If you are adding out here, you come little down, student, because here the board is, in the mobile it is not possible to record all the portion, student. So here what I am trying to open the tripod to type little bottom. So if you are typing here, students, how much is coming? 4.44, and after adding this value you are getting 5.028. So here it will come, student, 0.883. So XH2O, that is mole fraction of water, how much coming, student? Mole fraction of water, how much is coming, student? That is XH2O, how much is came, student? It came 0.883. This is the mole fraction of water in hydrogen peroxide. I hope this will be helpful, student. Thank you so much for watching. Hello friend, now let us see the question number 3rd. It's a very easy problem. A gaseous mixture contains 4.0 gram of H2 and 56 gram of N2. The mole fraction of H2 in mixture. So what they are asking is, student, mole fraction of H2. So this is very simple, you can do mole fraction of what? H2. This is they are asking. So how to calculate mole fraction of H2, student? Here directly I am writing XH2 is equal to, that is NH2, number of moles of H2 divided by total moles. So that is NH2, what is N, what other things are there? N2 is there, NN2. Okay, so that is mole fraction of H2. How to calculate? Number of moles of H2 divided by total mole. Total mole means NH2 plus NN2. Now student, the first of all we should know that is what is number of moles of H2 and what is number of moles of N2. So this side you do, student. So NH2, number of moles of what student? Number of moles of H2. How can calculate student? NH2 equal to given mass upon what student? That is given mass upon molar mass. So if you check out, that is given mass, how much is there student? In the question you read out, here is what is the gaseous mixture contain 4 gram. 4 gram they have given mass 4 gram student. Molar mass of H2, 1 hydrogen, atomic mass 1, so 2 hydrogen. H2 means 2 hydrogen, so 2 hydrogen means how much atomic mass students? 2. So how much is student? It will come 2 to 4, 2 mole. 2 mole of that is number of moles of N2. Number of moles of what student? That is N2. So number of moles of N2, how to calculate student? NN2. NN2 is equal to what? Given mass upon what student? That is molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. So how much will come? Given mass is there student, how much? 56 gram. Okay, 56 gram. And what is the atomic mass of nitrogen student? That is 1 nitrogen 14. So 2 nitrogen N2, that is 28. So 28. So how many type it will go student? That is 2 times. It's again it's student, how many mole is coming? 2 mole. N2 is also 2 mole. So here you put the value student in this formula. So NH2O, how much? That is NH2O, how much coming? 2 mole. And divided by again NH2, that is 2 mole, plus NN2 2 mole. So how much student? 2 by 4. 2 by 4, 2 to 4. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So student, X mole fraction of H2. Mole fraction of H2. Mole fraction of what student? H2. So X H2 we can write here equal to 0.5. It is having no unit, so that is only answer is 0.5. I hope this problem will be helpful student. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, good evening friend. Now the question, let us see the question number 4. That is also very easy problem. 138 gram ethyl alcohol is mixed with 72 gram of water. Okay, so firstly you write student, that is what are given are there. Okay, given. So that is given mass of what is there? Ethyl alcohol. Given mass of ethyl alcohol. This is they have given student, ethyl alcohol. And another things, what is there student? Another things, given mass of water is also there. Given mass of what? Water. So how much they have given student? Here is 138 gram. 138 gram is there. And here is given mass of water is how much student? 72 gram. Okay. The ratio of mole fraction of alcohol to water is, okay. So molar mass you calculate student. Molar mass of what? Alcohol. Molar mass of alcohol. How much is there student? Alcohol is equal to, here is what? C2H5OH is there. Okay. How much is there student? How much come? 2 carbon is there. So 2 into 12 plus 6 hydrogen is there. 6 into 1 plus 1 oxygen is there. So 16. So how much it's coming student? If you are add it out, so it is coming 46. It is coming 46. Now molar mass of water, you know, everybody know student, molar mass of water. So how much is there? Molar mass of water, that is H2O student, that is 2 into hydrogen atomic mass 1 plus 1 into oxygen atomic mass 16. So 2 plus 16, it is coming how much student? That is 18 gram per mole. Now these things we got. Now number of moles you calculate student. Number of moles of what student? Alcohol. Alcohol. Number of moles of alcohol. So how much is coming student? NC2H5OH. So how much? That is given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. So given mass how much is there student? Given mass upon molar mass. So 138 gram is there student. So 138 divided by molar mass 46. Okay. Now here you see student how much is coming for this portion. Number of moles of H2O. So number of moles of what? Water. Moles of water. So how much is there student? That is NH2O is equal to N is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Here you can write here student. Here is that is NH2O in the bracket is there. So it is there given mass upon molar mass. So you see student, go know how much given mass is there. 72 gram. 72 gram. Molar mass, how much is there, student? This is 18 gram. Now you check it out, student, how much is coming. If you want to calculate it out, so it is coming 3, 6 3 ja 18, so it is coming 3 mole, and it is coming 4 mole. Okay, so ratio of mole fraction they are asking, the ratio of mole fraction of alcohol and water. So mole fraction of alcohol X C2H5OH you calculate, student. So that is X, how to calculate, number N C2H5OH divided by what, N C2H5OH plus NH2O. Similarly X H2O, how to calculate, student, NH2O plus divided by what, NH2O plus what is NC2H5OH. So here you see, student, how much the value, how much you will be able to get. You keep the value here in the formula, student. If you are putting the value in the formula, NH2C2H5OH, how much, student? 3 divided by how much is coming, student? You check out, that is 3 plus 4. So it is coming 3 by 7. Okay, this value got 3 by 7. Now you calculate NH2O, how much is given, student? NH2O, that is 4 mole divided by total mole. So that is 4 plus how much, student? That is 3. So that is how much it is coming, that is equal to 4 by 7. Now student, if you want to calculate ratio, okay, so ratio of mole fraction, So ratio of mole fraction, how to calculate ratio of mole fraction? So X C2H5OH ratio X H2O. This we are calculating the mole fraction this way, student. Okay, you can check little bottom of the board, student, because of the small screen. So here is X C2H5, how much is there, student? 3 by 7. A ratio, how much is coming? X H2O 4 by 7. So that is 4 by 7. 7 cancel out, student. So ratio is coming 3:7. So that is our answer is the ratio of mole fraction of alcohol and water is 3:7. So correct option will be option number A, student. 3:4. So option will be not 7, student. 7 cancel out. So numerator is ratio. So 3:4. So correct option is option number A. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Hello friend, now let us see the next question. I think this is question number 5, not here 44. This is question number 5. So let us see what is. Calculate the mole fraction of H2SO4 in solution containing 98% H2SO4 by mass. Okay, so dear students, first of all let us see, that is total mass should be, total mass is equal to 100%. 100% implies that how much? 100 gram. Okay, that you keep in mind. So out of these, how much? 98% is there H2SO4. So H2SO4 you can write, that is mass of H2SO4. How much is there, student? Mass of H2SO4, that is 98 gram, and mass of H2O, mass of what, student? That is H2O. How much there, student? If you mass of H2O, so that is 100 minus 98 gram is equal to, that is 2 gram. Okay, now calculate the mole fraction of H2SO4 they are asking. So that is molar mass you calculate. That is first case, student. First case you calculated, and second things what we have to calculate, that is molar mass of H2SO4. So molar mass of H2SO4, mass of what, student? That is H2SO4. So how much, student? H2SO4. So H2 means 2 plus 32 plus 64. So how much is coming, student? 98. And here is, if you molar mass of H2O, so here you see, student, molar mass of what? Molar mass of H2O, how much is coming, student? 18 gram per mole. Two things we got, but more for mole fraction we need the number of moles also, student. So here third things is, student, you calculate number of moles of moles of what? H2SO4. So how much H2SO4 is coming, student? So that is given mass upon molar mass. Formula we can apply, given mass upon what, student? That is molar mass. And here is also number of moles. How can you apply, student? Number of moles of water. How to apply, student? That is also given mass upon molar mass, given mass upon molar mass. So dear student, you put the value. Given mass how much is there, student? 98 gram. Molar mass how much, student? 98 gram. Equal to number of mole is how much, student? That is 1. Here also see given mass, student, 2 gram. Molar mass is 18 gram. If you calculate number of moles, student, if you divide it out, it is coming how much? 0.11. It is coming 0.11 mole. So now you apply these things on mole fraction form. Calculate the mole fraction of H2SO4. So mole fraction of H2SO4, mole fraction of H2SO4 from what, student? H2SO4. So you can write here X H2SO4, student, equal to how much will come, student? Moles of H2SO4, moles of H2SO4 divided by total moles. Total moles of means what, student? Moles of H2SO4, moles of H2SO4 plus what is moles of H2O, moles of H2O. So here is, student, moles of H2SO4. How much moles? Here you got 1 divided by moles of H2SO1 plus moles of water. How much? 0.11. 0.11. So how much coming? 1 by 1.11. So how much will come, student, if you are calculating? It is coming 0.9. Okay, 0.9. So this is mole. Therefore you can write that is mole fraction of H2SO4, mole fraction of H2SO4. How much coming, student? 0.9. So this is our answer. So which is correct option? Option number A is the correct option. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Hello friend, now see a solution of sucrose in water is labeled as 20% by mass. Okay, what should be the mole fraction of solvent in solution? So here you try to understand, student, how can you be able to solve this type of problem. So total mass, if you talking about total mass of solute plus solvent, equal to how much will be there, student? That is 100%. Okay, 100% implies that 100 gram. Okay, these things you keep in mind. Now out of these values, this value, they are saying two things are there, student. A solution of sucrose in water is labeled as 20%. So solute is what, student? Solute is sucrose. Okay, this is going to dissolve, student, and solvent is what, student? That is water. Okay, so they are saying that is 20% by mass. Sucrose is there, how much? So mass of solute, if you want, student, mass of solute means mass of sucrose, how much, student? 20 gram. So remaining mass is mass of water. So mass of solvent, if you write, student, mass of solvent, that is how much will come, student? It will come 100 minus 20, that is 80 gram. This is now student, in this formula, other things you want to calculate what? Molar mass of sucrose. So molar mass of sucrose, how to calculate, student? That is molar mass of sucrose means C12H22O11. So how much it is coming, student? If you take it out, it is coming, that is, it will come 340. Okay, you can calculate it out. And here is molar mass of water, you know, student, molar mass of water. How much? Molar mass of water, if you talk about it, is the 18. Okay, so now number of moles you calculate, because for mole fraction we need the number of mole. So n sucrose. Okay, either you write n sucrose or you can write n solute also. That is going to be helpful. N solute is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Okay, so given mass is how much, student? That is 20 gram. Molar mass is 340. Okay, and if you see, if you are dividing this, okay, so how much it will be able to, you will be able to calculate, student? 0.058 mole. This many mole you are getting. That is moles of H2O, that is NH2O if you want to calculate. So given mass is how much there, student? That is given mass is 80 gram and molar mass is how much? 18. So how much is there, student? If you check out 80 by 18, so 80 by 18 if you are doing, student, it is coming 4.44, right? So number of moles you got, student. Now you read out the question, what they are. A solution of sucrose is this much. What should be mole fraction of solvent? Dear student, solvent. What is solvent, student? Water. So mole fraction of solvent. Here you can write mole fraction of solvent. So better mole fraction of solvent, in bracket you can write here H2O is there. So here is, that is what will come, NH2O upon total mole. So total mole means NH2O plus what will come, student, N sucrose, C12H22O11. So you are keep the value, student. NH2O how much is there? So 4.44 divided by 4.44 plus here is NH2O 0.05, 0.058 is there, 058 here you can write. Now if you add it out, student, how much is coming? 4.44 divided by, it is coming 4.498, and if you check it out, it is coming 0.987. So therefore here you can write mole fraction of solvent. How much is coming, student? Mole fraction of solvent means X sucrose. So how much is coming, student? It is coming 0.987. So what could be our answer, student, in the given option? 0.987. So option number B is correct, student. Thank you, student, for watching. Now let us see, student. This is problem number 7, I think. Problem number 7. So the mole fraction of ethylene glycol in solution containing 20% of ethylene glycol by mass. Okay, so this is also very simple, student. You can do it very easily. You can be able to do. Let us how to calculate. Let us consider what we have to consider. Let us consider total mass. Total mass, how much, student? Total mass is equal to 100%. 100% is equal to 100 gram. Okay, now 100 gram is there. So out of this 100 gram, student, that is you try to find out this. Okay, so what you have to, out of 100 gram, what we have to find, that is mass of solute. First one, mass of solute. Okay, and another is mass of solvent. So mass of solvent, student, what would be there? The mole fraction of ethylene glycol in solution containing 20% of ethylene glycol. So that is, it is mass of solvent, in bracket it is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is what, student? Solute. And mass of solvent, that is what, student? Water. So how much there? It is there 20%. 20% equal to how much? 20 gram. And here is what, student? So mass of solvent, how to calculate? 100 minus 20. So if you are doing 100 minus 20, how much you will get, student? That is, you will get, that is 80 gram, right? So molar mass. Okay, molar mass. So molar mass of solvent. How to get the molar mass solvent? How much you will get, student? That is, here is there, C2H6O2. Okay, so C2H6O2. So how much you will be able to get, student, if you are calculating? So here you will come, that is 24, 2 carbon plus 6 plus how much? 32. So it is coming total on adding, that is 62 coming, and that is water, if you are coming, molar mass of H2O. Molar mass of what, student? H2O. So how much is coming, student? This we know 18. So C2H6O2, and here is what? NH2O. So how much you will get, student? And given mass how much? 20 gram. Molar mass how much? 62. So if you equate this out, so how much is coming, student? If you divide, it is coming 0.322. And if you divide this one, given mass how much? 80, and divided by 18. So how much is coming, student? It is coming 4.44. Okay. Now what they are saying, mole fraction of ethylene glycol. So here we are doing number of mole, we already got, student. So mole fraction, how to calculate mole fraction? So here I am writing, student, mole fraction of ethylene glycol means C2H6O2. How much will come? So that is moles of ethylene glycol. How much is there, student? 0.322 divided by 0.322 plus what is there, student? 4.44. 0.322 divided, you add it out. So after adding, how much you will get, student? if you adding, it is coming 4.766, 4.766 equal to, what is there, student? If you divide this out, student, you will get 0.067, 0.067. So this is our answer. Mole fraction of, that is XC2H6O2 equal to 0.067. Okay, there is no unit of it, student. So which can be the option, student? Option number A is correct option. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, friends.